Okay. There we go. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right. All right. All right. All right. So, what the fuck?
Glowing, sun is hitting him in the right spot. Breeze is hitting nice.
Jesus Christ, kick. The fuck? Why did you just start playing that? I wonder if I used the new password. Or should I just make life easier, right? Yep, we'll just make life easier. And we just do that. And now, all right, guys, we're everywhere. When I hear myself. All right. So, welcome in this. This is AI with Dave. This is the late night vibe coding session, and we are just going to be burning through the AI credits before my trials expire. And we're just wiring up more tech stacks with AI with Dave, okay? We're creating the AI with Dave stack. And you know what? I'm here in New York where cannabis is legal. And I've been thinking about this for a while, so fuck it. We smoking on the stream. Because I'm chilling in my crib and we vibe coding and we vibing. You feel me? I'm listening to some vibes on Spotify. This ain't gonna be on the VOD, so you ain't gonna hear nothing. But let's set up the roadmap and get some things done. I ran through all my Claude already, so I can't use Claude till 11 o'clock. So we got like 50 minutes to play around with all the other AIs that I got, all the other bots and stuff. But it's gonna be fun. Don't worry. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So let's get some stuff ready. Hey Google, turn living room purple. Whoop, whoop. So right now I'm cleaning up my GitHub folders because I've been running through a lot of projects in these last 2 weeks. That's why you haven't been seeing me online as much. But let me show you what I'm dealing with right now. Because I was really late on this and I should have been on this to begin with. But, all right. right there. Go away. I don't want to see that. I have 4 days, 4 hours, and 45 minutes left to use $163 in free Claude Code web credits, right? So try Claude Code on the web on us. We've added $250 in free usage credits to your account applied automatically. I have to use this before November 18th, and I still have 65% remaining. And hold on, look at all these projects I've already made. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 different sessions with Claude Code. 22 different sessions has eaten up about 45%. And I still have 40 days left. I need to burn through these credits. Like I need to burn through this spliff. So we out here. So that's why right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm cleaning up my GitHub folder because I have a bunch of other repos and stuff in this folder that can be uploaded and be used into Claude Code. So like one of the thing is I'm about to I'm checking my website, making sure my website's up to date, the build that I'm making. I'm gonna upload that to GitHub and then I'm gonna start coding that with Claude Code to burn through some credits. If we could burn through like 25, 50 credits on my website and get something super, super clean, that'd be amazing. And then we'll have like 100 credits. Because realistically, if you guys plan out, anybody who sees this, you're not going to get it in time to actually like get the benefits of using $250 credits to just use AI to code your stuff. But each credit, if you dropped 10 to 20 MDs in the prompt, because it has like a million token or million word context. So you could just drop mad text into the context of these windows for the Claude Code app. And you just drop one and it goes. And it builds the whole app front, top to back. So I'm gonna show you. I've been asking a bunch of people, a bunch of my friends. I say, give me your app idea. I don't give a fuck what it is. Give me your app idea and let's build some shit. Cause like the world is going crazy with AI and they're just throwing money my way. They're just throwing credits at us. So let's build some shit. But you know, get update. What is this for? You're moving paths over here. So let's see what we can fuck around with. So like this is a React. This is a hybrid app I'm working on. This is something that's going to be web and mobile. Let's read the README. This should be a fresh project. Yeah, so I should. Okay, this is just a React Native fresh project. A Git repository is found in the parent folders of the workspace or the open files. Would you like to open the repository? If I say yes, what happens? Pick a repository to open. This one. Oh, I see. Because I opened the MD, you want me to go ahead and open the folder and work in the folder. Okay, if we work in the folder, I can't chat with Copilot, but we can chat with Codex Factory. Can I use Zencoder or am I out? Is this build ready? All right. We don't use Zencoder, but Zencoder's there. So Zencoder is going to check on these repos for us while I have Codex in the background organizing my folders. Now, if you guys aren't using, if you're not using AI in Terminal with your CLI, you're doing yourself a disservice because when you use the AI with your terminal, you could do stuff like move your files, create PDFs, and all this stuff that you're paying for all these tools and these web sites to do for you. I'm about to build all these apps for y'all to pay me because I know the knowledge to do it from this back end. All right, Zencoder. Will always allow you to run the Expo build. Hola, LumberDB. LumberDB, thank you for joining the stream. I hope you're not trying to sell me any graphic design assets or anything. I hope you're just here to chill and vibe code with me. Mm-mm-mm. All right, build checks. What are you guys doing? You need me to install some packages. Go ahead and do that. All right. All right. So if we go back to GitHub, okay, these are MDs. Tooling, cursor rules, Claude flow, byte. All right. Impact, open web. All right. It didn't really move all my files. I could do it much better with Claude. Also, Gemini does a good job with it. Codex looks like you're either you're still doing it. No, you're not. For any. All right. You left a lot of folders. So right now I'm telling my AI that it didn't move all my folders. You're right. After the reorganization, the only repos still at the repo root are things that either weren't part of the original scope, plus the zip files and extra who I left them untouched because they didn't have enough metadata. Decide what I want to do. Unpack. All right, so let's use some Whisper. All right, so each one of these folders, they're all repos. And they all belong somewhere. So maybe you're not reading the full MDs, or maybe you're missing a Claude MD or a Gemini MD or Agents MD. So I don't think you looked deep enough. Any archive, just let's move it to a zip archive folder for now, and then we'll deal with it later. That way we can analyze it separately in its own folder. And then, we want to make sure we keep the structure with the repos how it is so that when I'm creating these builds and these different environment, you're not breaking it as you move my files around. All right, drop that in there, Whisper. Thank you. Go ahead, post that. Yeah, look at the clues. My AI cursed at me earlier. Hey. All right, while these two bots are still doing their body stuff, go over here VS Code. All right, so go ahead and launch this. I don't care how much credits I'm burning through with Zencoder. I don't pay for Zencoder. So we taking the free usage. Can you show me how much the usage is? You really can't. Avatar? No. You good? Oh. Dororo. Let's see what's built right here. Oh, okay. All right. So this is a clean React um app. When you're ready, run reset project to get a fresh app directory. This will move the current app to app example. To see changes, F12 to open developer mode, explore. So we could just build whatever the fuck we want in this one. So new React Native. All right, so that's for an Android phone. So we are ready for that. That was just a test build. I wanted to make a React Native, just a basic React Native. I'm gonna change it so it's a React Native, so that it's part of one of my just basic template tech stacks. But yeah, that was clean. What are these open SSLs you're downloading? Is it for my face tracker? Yeah. Okay. So you are ready to build. So, okay, expos are ready to build. What is this? Tooling node. What is Claude Fold? All right, so show more. Open with code. Talk to Zencoder. No, I can't talk to you right now. Go away. I can't talk to you. Where's Zencoder? There you are. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so Zencoder makes a repo MD. So that's smart to know. So if anybody's using Zencoder, the MD that Zencoder uses for its initial is a repo.md. Not that I'm trying to promote Zencoder or anything. It just kind of comes in VS Code. And I just happen to have an account. Billing. Yeah, my plan is free. So go ahead and run that. 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 So if you have Visual Studio Code is actually just download it. It's free. And when you download Visual Studio Code, you can actually use Zencoder built into Visual Studio Code, or I think you just go up here and search for Zencoder, and it'll give you a trial. I think I was doing a trial for like 14 days, and now I'm just on the free. So we're just gonna use Zencoder on the free account to check these builds inside Visual Studio Code. So let's open up this window a little bit. So, nobody cares about this. That's if like we're actually looking at files, but we're not looking at files. We're talking to Zencoder. We're not going to touch this build with the agent because I think I'm out. This is Copilot, and I'm not paying for Microsoft Copilot. Not at the moment. Um, check. All right, let's go ahead and check the build, make sure it's ready for launch. So this repo, all this repo information is going to help my codecs in the background understand the structure of my files better. All right, Zencoder, while you are checking Claude Flow, what else is in here? Oh, okay, so it's just cursor rules in here. This I kind of have to move. Oh, okay, Codex. You actually sorted out my files better. You didn't touch this. Good. You put that there. Good. Okay, these are all the Next.js. Smart. Smart. Oh my God. Do everything necessary to make the build ready. And if you can't, just give me the steps necessary. If it saves me tokens, give me the steps that I need to do in terminal, and then I'll let you know I did it. Not that I care about your tokens, Zenko. Oh, see, look at that. Or wait to 159. All right, so we can no longer use Zencoder. So let's go to this side. Fix build so it can launch. All right, we can't use you. My thing is, where is Gemini? Oh, there you are. All right, so we're done with Zencoder. Look at that. In the middle of doing something, it stopped. You don't even finish your task, Zencoder. It's all right. We've got. All right, can I chat with you, Copilot here? Nope. You carry on. You know, I could use my other. I don't want to make another account with you. Who else? Extensions. There you go. All right. I need Gemini. ChatGPT. About to skip these SSLs. What are you doing? I know I set up Rust in my shit, but damn. All I did was move the repo. Did you eat all the little balls? All the little donut balls? That's- They're up there? Where are these? Motherfucking donut. Oh, I see. I didn't see them. All right. Munchies. They don't make this fucking easy. This shit pisses me off because I don't understand which ones go inside this. Let me see. Is this me just chatting with the model? Yeah. Wait, why am I supposed to be codex? Who's watching me on Kick? We got people watching me vibe code this shit. I should be changing my titles on Kick, right? Okay. Oh, you finally got to there? Oh, 2 minutes we can start talking to Claude again. Interesting. All right, Visual Studio Code, you failing me. Oh, look at this. All right, so I'm making a fighting game with 3JS. I got them moving on an isometric 3D plane. Now I gotta build, I have to actually build the character builds or find Blender builds so that the characters could render better. Um, Damn, what is jump? I don't know what I coded jump into. But you know, we working on stuff. All right. So we got a fighting game. Oh, where's my other character? There you are. All right. So that worked. I only made like one game. There's nothing here. I guess that's why it's called vanilla. All right. What is this? Open Web UI. Ask Copilot. Oh, it's a repo I downloaded. Open Web UI. So I can, okay, I know what this is. I downloaded that. All right, here we go. This is UI. These are starters, right? So let's see. Oh, this is my AI with Dave site. Learn AI with Dave. Okay. Damn, so this should be Learn AI with Dave. All right, put that there. That way there's nothing there. I don't think this is gonna start anything. And if it starts anything, it's just gonna be a starter page. Should be a Next.js starter page. Wild. I already got Claude working. No, I want you to check to make sure the build is good for launch. I don't want to learn how to check the build. I said check the build so you could check the build, bro. Why did the developer go broke? Oh, I need to update my Gemini. This is WSL Gemini. Okay. Spinning up. One, two, three. One, two. What? There you go. All right. So this is Gemini. This is ChatGPT Codex. This is Codex, and this is Claude. And we got them all working right now. Different things. This one is, all right, this one is working on the build for the new gen. That's my Haitian app. That's made invite. We might keep that invite. Yeah, we'll keep it invite. We'll keep it simple. This one is Next.js. You're checking the build on the starter dimension. You are Claude. Oh, you're checking new gen as well? And then you should be working on my website. All right. Kodak's been working a minute over here. Okay. Let's write some more apps since these guys are all busy doing stuff. Ooh. Hello. I made a forum? I did make a forum. Okay. Okay, avatars, general discussion, community stats, new posts. Okay, we could work with this. I like that. So what file is this? Rename. Hola. You saw me go. Greedy dirt. I'm confused. Oh, I'm in the wrong folder. How did that run dev there? Oh, now I need to figure out this whole structure because I just empty. Oh my God, that's in my super folder? Okay. Oh my God. It should be called New Gen. It was my bad. Whoa, I never said nigga. All right, you've been running for an hour. Do all fixes, please. Mhm. Okay. New Gen is up. I wonder, with this tab, WS sell this, right? And then let's do this here. Ah, let's close this pane real quick. Look at that. VM run build. If you can't do it, who the hell is calling me at this time? This better be Jesse. Right. Fuck you. No, I feel you. Why is this for you? For you. So cold. That's why I was doing two phones, because one phone had to be like connected straight to a car, do everything for it. Okay, build. Can we build? There we go. Why are you failing? Is it because I'm stuck in this? I'm stuck in that. Right. So while that is still doing, let's see what other tools we got. Um, huh. Can I run this? You run. Alright, you don't run. So let's copy your code. Let's get Claude to fix you real quick. I got Rick and Morty in the background. No, I'm on my YouTube TV trial. Mm-hmm. YouTube Music, and it's all under Google. So just because it's called YouTube doesn't mean it's not Google making money out of us. All right. Oh, why is my thinking on? Turn my thinking off. Save my tokens. Right now, I'm making sure all my projects are good. They run. I'm updating my GitHub. Oh, you know what? Let's make the Jesse Dharma website right now. We are going to make a new Next.js React. It's Next.js 16, React 19. Mm-hmm. Be a bitch. He'll just be like, who the fuck's car is this? You know she's gonna be like that. You ain't tell her shit. We want Tailwind V4 and Node 25.2. Mm-hmm. We want Shad CN and Nix UI. You know, the normal tech stack that I normally do. This is a website slash app for a personal friend, Jesse Dermo. He's somebody that isn't really great at technology or really with the AI or doesn't really care about me making the website, but I'm going to make the website anyways to show him that everybody in the world needs a website. So you need to help me plan this right. First of all, Dermo, but like that. Dermo is spelled DERMO. He was born in Canada, but now lives in Palm Beach, Florida. His main interest of jobs is serving at a restaurant. He also does construction. Currently works with his father in acoustic ceilings. Just got a new whip so he could Uber for the cash. Is a bachelor, so we'll be looking to set up his Tinder in 2 to 3 months. Yeah, we might need an about page. Let's say a gallery. He's not really photogenic, but we're gonna put photos because you know I'm a photographer and we gotta throw up the visuals. So you know, don't skimp on the components like you usually do. This is why my AI yells back at me. But I gotta be real with it. It be skimping on components. Um, and let me know what else you need me to plug in. We need stuff like contact us. We need a global footer. We need a top nav bar. We need floating social navigation bars. Oh, he's a big gamer. He's a big gamer, and he's a big table card gamer. What is it? Tabletop cards? Whatever. He plays Magic the Card Gathering a lot. Blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see what the AI is saying. Let my AI think real quick for you, Jesse. Let's put it in thinking mode, actually. So you're building a site for a man who does not care about having a site to prove that he needs a site. Peak human behavior. I support it. Thank you. Thank you. I'm making a site for a person who doesn't need a site to show you and prove to you that you need a site. Peak human behavior. All right. Below is a clean plan. Jersey Dermo's not a brand guy, so we'll frame this like a simple personal hub. This is who I am. This is what I do site. Okay. A place you can send potential employers. Perfect. Side gig clients. Perfect. Friends or dates to get a basic snapshot. Perfect.
Light gamer flex and Magic the Gathering energy flex. Tone grounded, blue collar, chill bachelor, not corny influencer. Exactly. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. I like it. Legal. Single terms and privacy, or at least basic site built by who visions for no blah blah blah. Okay. Global layout and components, app shell, top nav bar, mobile, okay, optional, floating social, footer, page by page design, word gaming. Okay, I like the structure. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so I need a comprehensive Claude MD, architecture MD, sorry, multi-agent MD, the visual stylus MD. I'll be adding more components like radix. Actually, go ahead and add radix to the documentation, and also add React bits to the documentation as another component we'll be using. And let's enhance this and ultra bank this and go really deep, because we want to impress not just Jesse, but the people who will be seeing Jesse's websites / app. All right, blah, blah, blah. Put that all into chat. Get my chat to start writing that up. And then we're going to start building your app, Jesse. Jesse is a new man. He's a new man. You know, I've been in Discord for hours. Nobody joined me. No. No. It made me cry. So lonely. I'm not, but you really woke up and said, let's build a boutique multi-agent architecture for a man who just wants to play Magic and get to work on time. Yes, I did. Written so any LM agent can follow it without being an idiot. Perfect. All right, come on. Ooh, so we're making the Jesse Dermo HQ. That's what this project is called. Yep, my one of hundreds. You are just one of Rocco's next. He needs a website for his HVAC and stuff, so you know. Yep. Well, for me, I'm doing yours as a test. For him, I said send me $20 so I could get you I could get it something live for you, so we could at least get the domain purchased and get it cooking, get it cooking. All right, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna hit code. Oh, before we code, we need to make a new repository for you. So I think I had already made a Dana. Oh man, I told Rocco about it. He's like, I saw you put up a new picture. I go, yeah, it's AI, bro. But it's AI with soul, my nigga, because I did it, all right? It's not just regular AI. I did it. It's so good. Oh my god. It's so good. First of all, I love the fact that it chose the Black Ranger for you. Like it I didn't ask it to be. I didn't ask. I didn't tell it to make you the Black Ranger version of Tommy. It just chose the Black Ranger. I was about to say he's been every color. He's been green. Oh, he hasn't. He hasn't been yellow or pink. Sorry, he hasn't been the bitch colors. You're right. He was never a nerd. Doesn't that qualify under bitch colors? All right. So we are now building you a website, and the AI bots are going away and building you a website. We don't have much information about you, Jesse, but it's building a basic framework. So make sure to put image placeholders or default placeholders where there are no images. I don't want you to show up with components that are not rendered because we didn't put images in there. If you need to put a Python script to pull stock images, go ahead and do so. I believe you could pull it from Unkeep or look for a bunch of gaming websites that you could pull web images from. I will use a fucking credit for you for that. I forgot to put that in the original prompt. I'm going to check that one right now. I need to make like 2-3 versions and compare them. No, it's compare because if you're a client, I can't just give you one website and you're going to be happy. And you have to give them versions. Game over. All right. While that's going, I made a lawyer app. I made a. All right, let's look at this app right here. Let's view the PR. All right. And let's I gotta resolve the conflicts. Okay, so got 2 conflicts. Resolve conflicts. I don't know why my Gemini button doesn't want to pop up right now. Wait, how did I? I'll teach you a trick. Stop saying that. This is the Habits app? But this is the Habits app. But this should be the PR for the Habits app. I'm working on Full Vision Habits app. What the fuck? What the heli? What the heliante? Image optimization code, blah blah blah. Where's thank you for the NASCAM structure, but I'm trying to fix the habits app. This is the PR for the habits app. All right. Well, that is doing that. Let's see how this is working. The AIs are still working on your site, Jesse. All right, perfect. This one is a photo messaging platform system, real-time messaging, direct and group conversations, read receipts, typing indicators, message reactions, blah, 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 photography. All right, let us open this in GitHub. All right, Blue Visions, photo messaging. Go ahead and clone this. Let's go ahead. Huh. That's all that's here. Just a backend. Interesting. Hmm. I don't think so. Not like that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. More reasons to get on the road in Uber. I'm letting you know once you put your foot to the pedal and start making the money, things will start to. And you have a means to do so right now. You have more than one means. Bro, I was doing 4, 5, 6. Yes. No, no. When I was on Uber, I haven't. You have to remember, they clipped me, bro. They took me off of the fucking program. No, well, Well, it's I can. I need the startup money for all that stuff. If you rent a car from Uber, you have to be on their Uber platform. I'm banned. Okay. No, not on rentals. They're not Uber daddy money. Lyft is not. Lyft was not the same as Uber. Lyft was like, oh, we're trying to be like Uber. We were first, but we're trying to keep up. Who wants you? Oh, all your Magic the Gathering sites. Mm, are you though? No. After the game? Okay, we'll see. Okay, true. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm, definitely there to rat on you. Mm, can't trust these beings. Can't trust these beings. I'm live, so I'm censoring myself. Just he's like, what? Beings? Can't trust these beings. All right, let's see. Did the little bots finish your website? They said your website's ready. So we're gonna go in. All right, able to merge. I'm gonna pull the request. Right. I'm gonna merge it. Perfect. Merge the root of it. Open this in the desktop. On this real quick. Show this in. And install. Install all the dependencies. Okay. Run build. Hmm? Alright. Copy this real quick. Well, this one's doing that. You are right. We definitely did have a Jesse Dermo site yesterday. Here it is. Let's see if we could just run it. It runs. Oh, because I did put in some of the AI with Jesse stuff in here. It looks like you're trying to run. Might crack. Oh no, you actually loaded something. Okay. Okay. We have something here. It was just a basic website with components. Oh, I like the laser. We're definitely gonna have to use the sharp laser precision for you. Hmm. Hmm. Flip the tab. WSL. Go to Gemini. Why do I use Gemini, guys? Besides the fact, well, hold on. Ooh, show my titties. Don't ban me, please. Out of these streets. All right. Why do I use Gemini? Because it's free coding agent. Runs in your CLI. And on and honestly, out of everything, watch this. Puppeteer to localhost 3000, and then check the visibility of the site. Right now, it's very hard for me to see everything with my eyes. Just sometimes. Mm-hmm. Please run the funneling. Oh, I don't have Puppeteer here. Okay, hold on. Put this tab. npm install Puppet here. Kind of annoying that you have to install these dependencies for every project, but it's okay. I get it. Every project of it is its own environmental development. I went ahead and installed it, but I also need the Chrome install codes. I knew you wanted to come here. Come here. Come here, baby. You mean you get what? npx puppeteer browsers install Chrome. You are rich, my friend. You're rich beyond your wildest dreams. What is this stupid command? Puppeteer command to install Chrome. npm install Puppeteer. npm install Puppeteer Chrome stable. Why did you give me the wrong command line? Okay, I went ahead and installed it. Oh, did I not WSL it? Do I need a WSL install that? What do you mean my local development service isn't running? Right there. Oh, calm down, Poochie. No, stop it. Don't you dare touch my hand like that. All right. Okay, install the WSL style. Try now. Close. Yo, Ralph. Was good. Welcome to the stream. Please don't tell me none of your graphic design stuff. Uh, was good. What am I doing? I am vibe coding, my guy. I'm petting the dog and I'm vibe coding. Dog wants to be pet right now. And I'm trying to get my guy's dermal site to render live. What just happened? Oh my god. All right. First of all, let's update this node to 25. Sit, Poochie. I'm gonna put you inside a box. Can you react to a song? You want me to react to your song, Ralph? I'm gonna be honest with my reaction. If your song is trash, then I'm gonna let you know it's trash. That shit clear, bro. That shit clear, bro. No, it's sleeping. No, it's resting. What the fuck did I do? Sit, sit. Come on, sit. What if I just get a pre-built one? What? You want the humidity? Where were we? In demo site? It's running currently. No, my song is called Noisy Guns Up. Are you gonna watch it? Well, you want me to what? Watch it on YouTube, my guy? What are you trying to get me to watch this? I'm fucked up right now. Oh, that's why I got myself fucked up right now. How did I do that? Why did I do that? Fuck. His dog got me. His dog. The dog got me. I'm so glad I could talk to my fucking modules. npm run dev. Oh my. I said npm run dev, my nigga. You died. Don't die for me, Argentina. So now he said it's there. This is my local host. Local host. Local host. Hello, Night Owl. Yep, that's Who Visions. We some Night Owls. Yes, it did. Alright, because Gemini is being an asshole and doesn't want to finish this and one shot, we're just gonna Claude this up. We're just gonna Claude this up. Yes, we trust the folder. Fix my node problem. Oh, I'm an idiot. I needed to npm install and run build. The simple things you keep forgetting. Now you gotta fix my global CSS. Well, it looks like you're fixing it. We vibing, we coding, you out here. Ain't no but you getting your own little fucking massage. Oh my god, I need to smoke. Go, 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 Poochie, go. Thank you. I need a smoke. I'm trying to load your website up right now. J down. And then while you do your Uber, you'll give me information for the website. Bong Ripper. Wondering about food. There you go. Butcher, your mom wants to. Okay. No, no. You'll be cleared by 4 a.m. Hey Google, turn living room purple. Oh, I know why. Light is off. I forgot I turned my light off last night. Internet shut off on us. Yeah, you can use the printout. Just take a picture of it as if it was a card. I just need your insurance information. Oh my God. Where's the dogs? This is pissing me off so much. Mm. With the picture? Right. Oh, oh, it's not working for you? Put it on a flat surface. Make sure the lighting's clear. Put it right underneath it. Put it put it right underneath the light. It'll work. Jesse, I'm letting you know I understand what you were telling me. It doesn't need a card because I've done this about 6 times now. It's the lighting. You go do it in your bathroom. Don't get frustrated with me. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to say, do it somewhere else. Try a different lighting. Try something else. Puppeteer to localhost 3000 and check the site's visibility issues. That's fine, as long as it's not blurry. You did it, you tried a different method. Don't be negative. This is the year of the positive. Let it load, just let it do its thing. It could be just network issues. I understand, but you're also on the phone with me. Back out and do it again. It should have saved most of your process. I wish you had a different phone to take the picture with. It's not a brand new phone. It's an unused phone. But it's not a new technology phone. Um, that's what you think. And you can continue. It's not accepting your photo the way you took the photo, Jesse. It is not accepting your shot. That is all it's not accepting. It is not accepting how you took the photo. Not because it's not a card, because in New York they don't always give you cards. Not accepting how you took the shot. So it's probably not accepting something from the camera on your phone, because sometimes the issue can be the actual compatibility of the phone and the camera and the app accepting the camera's framework. Because I've had an issue before where I've had to switch my phone to an iPhone or something else so it can accept the shot. Is your registration in a rectangular positioning on the paper? Uh, like a card, right? Oh, you're doing it the full 8x11 with all the white? No, you need to zoom in so that it's closer so it can actually read the words. That's why it's taking a long time to load. It can't read the words on the paper. The registration is a card format. So you have to actually shoot your information like it was a card. Not the whole paper, Jesse. Zoom in, move the camera in, and just take the picture of the information Uber needs to read. Because you're telling an AI, you're just giving AI words to read. So you need to take a better picture of the words so it can read the words. If you're too far and all it sees is white, it's having a hard time reading the words. Those who want to know, that's called OCR. Okay. Optical character recognition, the process of converting images of text into machine readable editable text. OCR means when the computer can actually recognize the text and translate it back into computer language it knows. And the picture of your registration card should be able to fill a whole page as if it's a whole page. You curse yourself with it. It is you. You put it upon yourself and you curse yourself with it. Nope, just have Ted do it for you tomorrow. He has a bunch of phones that you could just install Uber Driver on one of his phones and take the picture on his phone and have it uploaded. That's it. Just do it with somebody else's phone, my guy. There's nothing to stress out about. Just tomorrow, borrow somebody else's phone, borrow an iPhone, iPhones have better cameras than your phone. Borrow somebody's newer phone and take the picture of your registration and try it that way. Not a failed mission. It's just you have to take a different route. Your phone's not working. Ew, there we go. That's what I want. Well, mm. Oh my God, I copied the whole thing. What do you mean? You want to try off the phone with me? Like restart your phone? That's what I'm saying. You want to restart your phone? This is command not working. Try doing it on a computer. You can upload the photo from the computer. It's a computer.
Wild. My boy's wild.
What was that? Just listen to me and stop raging, my nigga. Just fucking like bro. I try to tell you what it is. Get off the phone with me, restart it because Uber has a lot of shit that it fucks up when you on the phone and the data, my nigga. So get off the phone with me, restart your phone, and let it fucking load. It loaded, right? Good job. High five. Go cry me a fucking river somewhere else, my guy. Nigga crying in my ear for 15 minutes. All he had to do is restart the phone. Nigga, return it tomorrow. It's over, Dave. It's if. It's over. The grand plan is over. I used to tell Fab that shit all the time. I said, "Yo, bro, get off the phone with me." He's like, "Yo, Uber's fucking blah blah blah." I'm like, "Yo, just get off the phone with me and restart your phone. Uber worked. It's your phone. It's not Uber. They're paying $1 billion to keep that service running and fucking maintained. So much that they have AI bots every second reading your shit now. So if shit's fucked up, it's you. Huh? Uh-huh. You can't do anything yet till they approve your insurance, which could be by the morning. Yep. So all you gotta do now is just wait for them to clear your insurance or your background. So you're good. You can't really do anything. You feel me? So now, you want to do it drive for Lyft or you just want to do Uber? Because I would say give yourself the ability to bounce back and forth. Uh huh. It'll be fast. You're in Florida. Yep. So once the criminal report passes, you're clear. Okay. What is the? Oh, because no. You just bought your car. So you have a 1 month registration tags. You have the temp tags on. You're gonna get your plates, and then when you get your plates, you're gonna have a new tag that you're gonna have to tell Uber. Yes, yes, that's what I'm saying. They could read everything on your fucking picture because today's the 13th, or was it the 14th? Yeah, that's one thing. Shut it off. You're done. Go set up Lyft, or bitch at me that you're not gonna do anything else and go play Dragon Ball. Those are the other. Uh huh. Your biggest opportunity is going to be when people fly in and out of the airports. Palm Beach International is going to become your best friend. No, nigga, you ain't done nothing. All you did is call me. I heard click, 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 and I said, "There's my guy." I didn't install Tailwind. Okay. That has to do with everybody's picture. That might as well work at Enterprise at this point, right? Okay, I like it. I like it. It's sexy. It's Jesse. It doesn't look. It doesn't look gold to me. It looks silver, but I see it. I see it. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like a tan gray. Okay, because that shit look gray to me. Gray to me. Lift. Lift. LYFT. Well, you don't want to do food. So the only other thing is lift. That's why I keep saying it. No. Nah. Regular bro. Regular bro. Keep it. Jesse saw luxury and got excited. Ooh, luxury. What does that mean? Really save these commands somewhere. All right, cancel that real quick. Put this tab. Do this too. This might need that too. Or you could do it daily. Because now it's you. You feel me? You control the money. Not gonna go to Dana, your ex, you feel me? So now every day at the end of the day, you could put it into your Bank of America account. It automatically will deposit into your Bank of America account weekly or Wells Fargo. It will automatically, once you put your bank information in, it will automatically do it weekly. But also go ahead and put your debit card information in, because then you can activate the automatic payout. Because you're going to need it when you're running low on gas or whatever, you're hungry, whatever. You'll every night or every shift, you can just take your money out. You're not trying to do full time, which is 40 hours. You want 20. Yeah, it doesn't make a sense. Well, no. Do 40. Because it's like a job, right? So think of it as a manager. You're telling him, I want to work hard. So the harder you tell Uber you want to work, the more opportunities and money it's going to throw at you. So tell it you want to work the 40 hours right now, and it's going to throw you promos. Does that make sense? You're a new worker. And if you say, I want to work, it's going to give you money. Say no. Say no, you're not. Don't lie to them. Not in your name. It doesn't. It say, okay. Say yes. Doesn't really change anything, but say yes. Yes, supplements, or say it's your only source. So they could give you more money. That's fine. You do. You have 3 in the back. You have 3 in the back. If it's a 4-door sedan, you have 3 in the back. One for behind the passenger, one for behind the driver, and one for the middle. Yes. License plate number? Yes. They're your tags. It's on your registration because they took a picture of it. Missing manifest and tool chain. If you need to get off the phone with me, I know it works. down. Menus. Uh-huh. I'll hear from you soon. Just get off the phone with me and do it. Mm-hmm. I mean, not fucking run this, but whatever.
Hello.
All right, we're gonna have to start going to cursor, guys. These CLIs are not doing what I needed to do. Oh.
Can you hear me?
Okay.
Oh, there you go. All right.
It did something. I didn't realize it did something.
Keep saying driver's license rejected. And then it has continue anyways. I'm about to do that shit. Let me try it one more time. Rejected, rejected.
All right. If you're stuck, we just need to restart everything. We will come back.
I'm just gonna continue anyways. I don't know what else I could do. It's not accepting any of it. Like, I could read it very clearly.
162 credits, though, guys.
Can you hear me?
Coding. We need to throw up some more ideas.
So you don't hear me. I'm talking to myself. Dave. Dave. Fucking shit. God, dude.
Why does it do that now?
Can you hear me now? You don't hear me at all, do you? Hear me?
Take that, take that. Wait. How was I able to do that in Pro if I don't have Pro? So go ahead and write me a Gemini MD for this. I need a comprehensive Claude MD architecture architecture route, multi-agents, the stack diffs, the whole shebang. Oh, shebang. There we go.
Discord should work now. I don't know why it was unlucky before. Oh. Mm-hmm. I don't want to replace the Claude MD in here, or whatever you say, my guy. Don't replace the Claude MD as the agent root, but keep the Gemini MD as well. The Claude MD stays the master. I've got to. We've been streaming for like 4 hours. Let's cut the stream. Oh, we got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Can you upload a photo or no? It is playing some video. Oh, yeah. All right. Four hours. I'll be back later.
Can you hear me now? I bet you can't.